Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about organizing your life, your work, and your money. So we are still continuing our series on how to organize your life. And in today's video, we're going to get into family planning. If you missed Sunday's video, I do think that you should check that one out before watching this one, because I did create a new classic size Franken planning system. I kind of walk you through the entire process, my thought process of why I created this particular setup and how I plan on using it. So within this Franken planner, I have divided it up into multiple sections. We do have my daily, my family planning, home planning, my health, my projects. All of that is located within here. In today's video, we are going to dive into my family planning. My family planner is the space where I organize my family. This is the spot where I'm making sure that we're connecting with each other, that we're spending a lot of time together, and I stay on top of the different things that's going on with the kids. So this planner will have all things related to my family and my home. So with this one, I am a little bit more decorative, and I am planning on using the winter sticker book in order to decorate this one and make it a little bit nicer. I also use this one as more of a memory keeping planner. I do like to look back on this one. I like to add pictures in here. I also have separate sheets which are behind here where I will add different events and things that we have done in the past, like zoo and birthdays. I'll do specific spreads, but I also will add pictures and add more stickers in here. So I like to make this one a little bit more decorative because I love to flip through this planner since it is specifically related to my family. So that's why we're going to be using this sticker book. I am going to be pulling some winter and some Christmas stickers from here in order to decorate this spread, and I'm also going to be talking to you about how I organize and how I decide the different things that we're going to do throughout the course of the month. So the first step in this process is to look at my catch-all planner. My catch-all planner just tells me an overview of everything that's happening throughout the course of the month. I like to look at what current events we already have going on, what business things that I have to do, what parties are already planned, and then I will try and plan family events around those specific dates. We like to do at least one family event every single week, if possible. It doesn't happen every single week, but I do try my best to do it at least twice a month where we are doing something as a family. So usually I will try and plan family events either on a Friday or a Saturday, because Friday nights I don't usually do anything business related, and I try my best to block off Saturdays for family days. This process becomes so much easier if you set a specific day of the week that you dedicate to family. So like I said, I try my best to do Fridays or Saturdays where I won't do anything at all that is business related. So then it makes it easier to plan different things for my family because I know that my Saturdays are normally free. So at the beginning of the month, I will look at my catch-all planner. I see what business events I have going on. The next thing that I'm going to do is try to set up different things that we could do. So after I looked at my catch-all planner, I decided on specific dates that we could do things throughout the course of the month. So I'm going to drop down some stickers just to decorate the spread, and then I'm going to talk about the different events that I added. Okay. Stickers are down, and the next step is for me to add all of the activities that I have planned for our family for the month. I like to do something every single week, and it will usually happen either on a Friday or a Saturday. We don't have to leave the house with every activity that I plan, but I do try and plan different things throughout the course of the month that allows us to connect and to talk and just to have some really good quality time together. Decorated our Christmas tree, and this is our first year having a white tree, so I'm just going to mark that down to remind myself that that's what we decided to do this year. And then we went to the Lights Festival, which was on the 11th. It was actually in Mississippi. It was an hour from where we currently are, but it was a great time together, and we just got to release the lanterns. If you've never heard of the Lights Festival, definitely look it up on Instagram. It's a great event. It was so much fun. If you have kids, just think about Tangled and how they release the lanterns on her birthday. That's exactly what this event is. And so if you know, I have daughters, so they were loving it. They had so much fun. The 16th will be my shopping day. So I like to plan different days when I'm going to do different things. So just like I plan different things for my business, I will do the exact same thing for the house. And so I am planning on finishing up my shopping on the 16th. I ordered a majority of my gifts online. However, there were a few things that I couldn't get online. So this is going to be the day that I actually pick up all of the rest of the things that I need. And then on the 22nd, we are going to Christmas in the Oaks. I'm going to be wrapping presents on the 21st, so I added that there. And then the 24th is going to be a big cooking day for me. So we are hosting Christmas this year. We actually hosted Thanksgiving as well. For any holiday, I will usually block out that entire day to make sure that I am prepped and ready for all of the guests that are coming over on Christmas. So after I have written in all the events, the next thing that I like to do is write in anything that is going on with the kids. Like the last day of school is going to be around this time as well. So I like to mark down the last day that they have of school, how long they're going to be out, and any other family things that I may need to kind of keep track of. Okay, so this is how it starts. It starts off with the events that I have for my family. It starts with the things that I may need to do, like shopping or cooking or cleaning days, just different things like that. Things that's going on with the kids. And then what I will usually do is as the days go on, I may add a little memory or something that has happened into this planner. So I know a lot of times when I am talking about the different planners that I have, many times people will say, well, the information is repeated. Like if you go into my catch-all planner, you can see that I have listed in here that we're going to Christmas in the Oaks. I have the Lights Festival here, which is the exact same thing that is on this planner. So it feels like this planner is pretty much pointless, like you don't need both of them, which in actuality, you don't need two planners. You could definitely just keep it all in one planner in your catch-all planner. But what I like to do in this one is to have extra decoration and to also add on different memories. So I may write down something that my kids said, or I might write down the fact that we had a white Christmas tree, or I might add a picture or something else into this planner. And that's what separates it from my catch-all planner. My catch-all planner just has all of the details, but it's very functional and it doesn't have all of the extras that this one has. So I will add memories and pictures and other details in here, and that's what makes me really enjoy having this as a separate planner from my catch-all planner. Another reason why I like to have this as a separate planner is because it puts emphasis on what I am doing with my family. So since I only keep the things that I'm doing with my family within this planner, it really highlights how often and how much time I am spending with them. So if you look at my catch-all planner, it tells me everything that I am doing in every aspect of my life. So it looks like I might be well-rounded, that I am spending a lot of time in each different area of my life just by looking at this one planner. But when I break it down and I look at just what I'm doing with my family, this will really tell me how much time I'm spending with them, how many events did we do, and are we connecting on a monthly basis. So that's why I like to have a separate planner that's dedicated to the topic. And that's how I am with basically all of my planners. If I have an area where I really want to pay attention to that area, I really want to make sure that it's organized and I'm staying on top of it, I'm going to have a separate section or something within my planner to make sure that I'm staying on top of it. It's just the way my mind works. If I keep everything in my catch-all planner, then I might feel like I'm on top of it all. But when I have separate planners that are dedicated to my health and to my meals and to my family, this really highlights that specific area. So I'm more likely to pay attention to it, and I'm more likely to organize it. So just to give you some additional tips on how to do this process, one thing that we like to do is have family meetings. Every single Sunday, we will have a family meeting and we will discuss our meals. We will discuss the different events we would like to do throughout the course of the month, and the kids are included in on this meeting. So I asked them if they were interested in Christmas in the Oaks, and of course we did it last year. They absolutely loved it, so they wanted to do it again this year. That makes it easier for me to plan different things throughout the course of the month because they usually are giving me a bunch of suggestions. So we will do a family meeting every single Sunday, deciding the different things that we're going to do, when we're going to bake cookies for Santa, when we're going to go shopping, when we're going to do different events together and movie nights and things like that. And it makes it much easier for us to plan and stay consistent with spending time together. And I'm actually going to write down our family meetings. So this is how I will do planning for the family. I will usually write out all of the events, write out the different meetings that we're going to have, the different things that we're going to do, and anything that's pertaining to the kids. And then when it comes down to my weeklies, like I said before, I'll add pictures or memories or just anything else that I believe would be a nice thing to look back on. So guys, let me know in the comments below, how do you organize the things that's going on within your family? Are you planning these things out just as much as you are planning out your business? Please let me know in the comments. I would love to have that conversation with you. And if you want to learn more about organizing your life, your money, your work, make sure that you check out the Organize You. The Organize You is my monthly membership where we have weekly live classes. You have access to all of my planner downloads, which include the life planner and the budget planner. You also get access to the book club, and I also do member audits over there where we dive into one of our members' organizational systems and help them improve their system. So if you want to find out more about that, check out the link in the description box below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.